start, explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to reward their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guests will be provided present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Along with various meal plans and payment policies. Today's check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.